Atongoria aya a ruriri rwa ukabi maugite BBI yukite kunyitithania muingi na kumahe mweke wa kwaria cararuku mathina na mabataro mao na riu matingireka mweke uyu mahituke.
BBI has presented an opportunity to Kenyans to air or to put forth issues they consider pertinent in us building a nation for posterity. As we are aware, every region has concerns they consider as historical injustices, areas they consider require addressing either through the law or possibly the constitution if need be.
We as the Maasai community believe that the BBI is timely. In fact, it's late. We have so many issues which are affecting our communities. The Maasai community has been generous to the whole country, and there are important pertinent issues which are affecting us, which we believe can be resolved in the BBI initiative.
Na kuona atongoria matiaga gukuruhana me wira-ini, riu atongoria matanyite kurehe amwe muingi na atongoria a ukabi niguo gutigirira ni maria na mugambo umwe niguo magunike. Mucemanio wao wa kwaririria riboti ya BBI urariirio muthia wa kiumia giki kiharo-ini kia Ntimama kaunti-ini ya Narok, guku muingi ukinyitwo ugeni guka kwiiturura maria marenda makorwo BBI-ini.
On Saturday, that will be representative of the position of the Man Nation. I want to encourage all Kenyans that we are excited to, as Man Nation, to invite you to Narok so that we put forth what we think are issues when addressed will make us one cohesive nation, the nation of Kenya.
There will be a big public meeting of the entire Ma community in Narok on Saturday. It's going to be a historic occasion where the Ma community are going to be talking about their BBI and issues that affect their community.
Mucemanio uyu hanikite uriri gukoretwo na urugari wa kiuteti ruriri-ini rwa ukabi. Atongoria gicigo gia Kajiado ya rugongo onao ni mauma na giikaro na muingi na atongoria a kanitha makirekereria mendekithia mao riboti-ini ya BBI.
Mustiraikiri hindira kurerwo kure iguru ri meciragia no ukabi maikara guku twi kabira ingi na nitauga atiriri angikorwo governor arikoragwo mukabi kabira ici ingi nicio irikoragwo CDPT na tuga support governor uria ugeka uguo tucoke tuge o mundu wothe haria angirugama onogo ni MCA ri etikirio kurugamaga.
Rasilimali ya kutoka serikali ya juu na serikali ya county igawe kwa njia ya kutumia watu, and we are saying that we confirm that we support the one man one vote one shilling to be included in the BBI ndio tuweze kugawio pesa kulingana na wingi wetu.
Na kuona kwaga gwa taito cia migunda kaunti-ini ya Kajiado ni gukoretwo kuri thina munene kuri aikari aya, riu marenda uheani wa taito urorwo weru na riria kwina micemanio ya muingi gukahuthagirwo rũthiomi rwa bururi niguo kuhurana na ukabira kaimana.
Andu maragura migunda na kuria mathaini na makagirio kumioccupy, so turauga maheo taito na metekerio guikarira migunda yao tondu ni willing buyer willing seller.
Watu wetu ambao ni wa Kajiado North, makabila zingine hata wao wapate nafasi yao kuajiriwa Kajiado County.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Bio wa Wambui.